SJF, non-primitive scheduling algorithm. Introduction. CPU scheduling ready decides the order in which process use the CPU. Shortest job first. Select the process with the smallest budget time first. In non-primitive SJF, mm, once the process starts execution, it's run its completion. Goals reduces the waiting time, turnaround time, and improve overall efficiency. Work the best when burst time are known in advance. Exp- experimental setup. Programming languages C. Tools use VS Codes and code blocks and GCC. Data sets. Process ID, arrival time and burst time. Scheduling type SJF non-primitive. Goals calculate CT, TAT, VT and draw Gantt charts. Implementation steps. Input number of processes. Enter arrival and burst times. Select process with shortest burst time among arrived process. Execute processing unit completion. Computer CT, TAT, VT. Display result and Gantt chart. Simple program using SJF non-primitive. Shortest job first. Non-primitive scheduling. First, A processes details. Processes P1, P2, P3. Arrival time is 0, 1, 2, 3. Burst time is 8, 4, 1. Gantt chart. P1 is the start of 0 to 8 and P2 will be 8 to 13 and P3 will to 13 to 9. Turnaround time and waiting time. Processes are P1, P2, P3. Arrival time 0, 1, 2 and burst time 8, 4, 1. Completion time will be 8, 13 and 9. TAT is 8, 12 and 7. So waiting time is 0, 8, 6. Arrival average waiting time is equals to 4 ms. Observations. Process with the shortest burst time are execute first. SJF gives the better performance compared to FCFS for most datasets. Long processes may process starvations if many short jobs keeps arriving. Gantt chart clearly shows the extension order based on the burst time property. Real world examples are the print queue management. Short print jobs are completed first to reduce waiting time. Hospital OPD, clinic token system. Patients with quick checkups are handled first to reduce overall queue times. CPU batch
ನಫರ್ನರ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ
processing. Small
ಗುಳ್ಳ
background tasks are completed before long jobs of a faster throughputs. Thank you.